Hey, good morning, everybody. Well, it's afternoon, actually. Uh, I'm running late on these, I know. Anyway, I bought a hand planer. It's a WEN hand planer. It's got pretty good uh, reviews, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to use it on. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but this door goes into the bathroom. And after years and years of it swelling and shrinking, swelling and shrinking, swelling and shrinking, uh, you have to really pull it tight, and you can see where it's coming together. It's not level. Now, I had a couple of people look at it. I've been using this thing, and it don't work. It works, but for very minor things. If you got a injured back, you don't want to use that. Trust me, because I got it a little bit better, but not much. So I saw this on Amazon on sale for 20 something dollars. And I think the prices may have gone up a bit. I found it pretty interesting that when I ordered it, uh, there was a slight delay, and that tells me something was wrong. And I think that something was wrong was the price that they had given. Okay, this is inside the box. It feels good, and it comes with your instructions. The last time I used one of these was in high school. Anyway, yeah, you can dial it down and dial it up, or however much you want it. I'm not going to take off much at all, but I just can't do it by hand anymore. And it's got your safety here button and your trigger to let it go, and you can hold on to it at the end. And let me see if I can, okay. It's got a handy wrench so you can take your blades off and so forth. And it's got your backstop, which when you set it down, it keeps your blades from hitting whatever you set it down on. And I'm thinking there should have been another part that came with it, but maybe that's why it was only 20 something dollars. Because because I'm thinking your blade is in there, but there should be a sock that goes on it. Let me take a look. Okay. Know your planer. Yeah. Now that's the safety kickstand there. It just drops down. And it looks like it says connecting the chip extraction port, which is this port here. Wood dust can be hazardous to your health. Whenever possible, connect your planer to a suitable dust extraction system or dust bag through the dust bag extraction port. The size of the port is 1 1/4 inch. Hose adapters not included, may be needed. But it's looking like I don't get that. And I don't get the brace for the side either. So, yeah, I don't get all that. I'm looking at it now. And I'm looking for parts. And it shows you how to take everything apart. But for that much, I would not be taking it apart. I mean, for $20. Shows how to install planer blades. It's supposed to have planer blades in it. I'm not sure if it does or not. Shows how to adjust cutting depth, which I know how to. And how to operate it, which I know how to. And it says know your planer, and it shows the on and off switch, trigger lock, handle, blade wrench, fixed rear shoe, drive belt, adjustable front shoe, depth adjuster knob, chip extraction port, on off switch, and then you go down to the bottom and it's got your small chamber, your large, your small comfort groove and your large comfort groove, blade drum, clamping screws, blade, and safety kickstand. So it doesn't come with the other parts like I was under the impression it was, but I can probably order them. Anyway, that is what I got today, and I may try it without the brace. I mean, the ones we used in high school were big, really big, and you had braces floor braces. I mean, you stuck things between floors and you tightened them down with a what do you call it, a big clamp, and went to town with it. This one is plastic and lightweight, but I wouldn't want it to buck on me. Cause let's see these. Let's see if it's got. Yeah, it's got blades in it, so that's a good thing. The only thing it didn't have was that brace and the sock, because I read about it when I was ordering it, and and it had good reviews, really good reviews. And one guy said that he was reluctant to get it because he didn't think he'd use it much, and once he got it, he started using it and using it and using it. And he recommends putting the sock on it. He says most socks don't work well with planers, but he said socks work really well with this one. And he also suggested using the brace for safety purposes. So I'm going to look up, see how much the braces are, and see how much the socks are, because I don't think they're going to be much. Yeah, I really don't think they're going to be much, but at least it tells you what sizes and stuff like that. And tech support, WEN products. So I will start looking it up and see what we got going here. And so I'm probably not going to do it today for the simple fact that I want the brace on it for sure, because I'd hate for that door to lay the door down on its side or on its up and down and start in with the plane and have it start jumping around and all that. So I want the brace on it, and I don't want. I had cataract surgery a year or two, almost 2 years ago, and I prefer to keep my eyesight. So I want one of those socks also. Okay, well, and y'all, if any kids are on here, pay attention. Use safety, because it will get you things like this. And so I'm going to use a brace or something, and I'll get back to y'all and let you know how in a minute, and let y'all know how much the braces are and so forth, and the socks. Okay, talk to you in a couple of minutes. Bye. Okay, the bag for this is $9. You're not going to believe this. $9.90 for two of them. I did not find a brace for it. Let's see. And it's got a 2-year warranty, so that's a good thing. And it's got your general warnings and all that. But I could not find a brace. So, with that being said, I'll do it freehand. And we'll see how that works. That should work okay. Because it's just a edge of a door, and I'm going to take off like a very minute part of it, literally. So I'll have to wait. It's going the bag won't be in until Wednesday. So Then I'll start on the door. Okay? Everybody have a great day, and if you're in a warm place, because it's warming up here, tomorrow it's supposed to be like in the 70s. If you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming. If you can't do that, snuggle up with someone and stay warm. And y'all stay safe, and we will see you soon. Love y'all. Bye.